Hi, it is June 14th on Friday. I'm headed into Pine Grove Furnace here in Pennsylvania. It's been good. Today has been a beautiful day. Last night it rained, so I'm glad I stopped at the shelter over there. I tell you, I really love Pennsylvania so far. I don't care about the rocks. It's been pretty easy. I'm still going slow, but I don't care. But I'm standing in front of a really nice stream. I should be in Pine Grove in about another 2 miles, I think. There's the ice cream challenge there, which I probably will not do it, but I will have ice cream, and we'll see what else I'll be doing there. I probably will stay there someplace during the night. There's a campground just nearby and a hostel, so I don't know which one I'm going to do. It's been a great day. A lot of people will do the half-gallon challenge, which means they'll eat a half-gallon of ice cream to celebrate the halfway point between here on the AT. It's a halfway point. I've already passed the official halfway point, so that's why people want to eat the half-gallon of ice cream. It's a lot, and they give you a little spoon, a little bitty wooden spoon that says you've completed the half-gallon challenge as your prize. That's it. Do the 1 pint. Quest finished he did the whole half-gallon. I'm just going to do a pint.